you what's inside.
Oh, I wonder what's inside. I'm excited.
Yes, Papa. And there's one thingy right here. What is it?
What does it say? Let me see. Show it to me. Wow, it's a cat and a puppy.
And a puppy.
Okay.
And now just need to open the other wrapper. And I got another one. Is a sticker.
Wow. Okay.
Is there another wrapper? There is another wrapper.
Oh, you have so many wrappers to.
There's another wrapper. And open this. I got one bag. So now
Okay.
I'm gonna open this little bag. So it's
What's
a
in the
little
bag?
baggie. Maybe I'm gonna open it later.
Okay, you have one.
And one more, and that's it. One more wrapper. Now the other one bag. See it?
You have two.
Do you want to see it? Here's the LOL. Okay, the LOL one. Another bag. I have another zipper, but it's a little bit little. I'm gonna rip the other one off. That's it. And I got another one right here. Another one. Here. Oopsie, I forget the cap. Put the cap on again. Cap on. Now I'm gonna just the other LOL surprise. Now let's hop up to the next one. Big bag, baby. There's one people in. We don't know which bag is the people, and another one right here.
So how many you have?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bags.
Okay.
Now I just got this one. And I gotta check what is this. Ta-da!
Let me see. What does it say? Ooh.
Now
Okay.
this begin for this. This is the LOL. Let's give it called little island. Ta-da! Here we got the LOLs. First I'll show you. Here it is, all the LOLs. They're showing us what the ingredient. They're showing the things what you have to do. I'm gonna put them right here. But carrying it if you want to take it anywhere you want. So now do like this. Here's the LOLs. I'll show you the LOL later. Okay, I will show you the LOLs. There's one more second. Here's the LOLs. There's baby LOLs and mommy's LOLs. And don't forget the other LOLs. So first I'm gonna click this together. Maybe I'm gonna do it later again, I thought. Okay, so let's open this baggie first. So let's start from baggies. Let's check what's inside this baggie. There's a little bottle. First, we got a bottle, a cute little bottle. So let's put one bottle where it belongs before. Wait for the next one. A little bit big, but there's something very small. We don't know what to do stuff. I don't know. Okay, like that, ready. So open this. we do it from the bottom. Then from the bottom, we got right here. We got the shoes. Where are the other shoes? Look at the other shoes. Oh, the other shoes right here. Just put, see the shoes? There's also some thingies like this ones. You see this? I put them down right a bit. So now I put the shoes right here. Let's start with our bag. The little cheetah clothes, and look how so cutie pie. Ta-da! And also had a belt. Just put it right down, and look the same like a people pizza. Let's put this right here. I got another one. I'm very excited to open the other one too. What is it? It's a bow. Maybe it's a doll with very cute. Let's put it right here. Let's check what kind of doll we got. Here is the doll. Look what it says. Does it say LOL? It's something like a different one. So now look. It says LOL here. Now let's just start opening this. What's inside this big baggie? Maybe there's people inside. Okay, so let's open. Let's check what thing we got. I'm so excited. It's a little cutie one. It has white hair and pink hair. And she's so cute. Look at her cheek. One cheek has a star. And look at her body. Her body is a little bit more big than mine. So now let's start putting her clothes. You see this hair doll? They're very cute. Now let's start for the thingies. This is the little bottle, but we don't need it. Let's put the shoes. It's very cute. It's like something like black. It should be black. So now let's just put her shoes. Look, her shoes are fitting on her. Can fit also in her other hand. Here, you hear that sound? Like that sound. Okay, now let's open the cheetah clothes. Ooh, so darn. And look, same as her body. So, her body like this. But that's okay. Let's put this in this. So now we just need to put one in the hand. Put in the handle. And one in another handle. Oopsie, I opened the doll head, but that's okay. For now, let's open the doll head so we can get the thing on the ship. Look, she looks very cute on this. Look at her backside. Okay, so now let's start with her little cute bow. See this little bow? I saw you before too. So I just need to wear this up. Just wear this. Oopsie. I did it. She's very cute. This is her headbands. And her little chooky wookie bottles. And she can put it and drink it. We was taking a picture before, so bye-bye, we're done of the video. So see these bottles and they're cute. They're very cute, and look at this. Her hair, backside hair is very good. Look at her hair right here. And her bow is very cute too. And bye-bye.